Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to open a Vanguard Cash Plus account. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is a cash management account. To open it, you will need to provide some personal information, including your name, date of birth, social security number, and address. You will also need to provide your bank account and routing numbers to fund the account. You can open the account online through the Vanguard website. The process is straightforward and typically takes only a few minutes. If you are already a Vanguard client, some of your information may be pre-filled, making it even faster. The Vanguard Cash Plus account has no minimum balance requirement or account service fees if you sign up for e-delivery. It's a great option for short-term savings, offering a competitive yield and FDIC insurance. It can be used for direct deposits and bill payments, but it does not come with a debit card or check writing ability. You can also buy Vanguard money market funds within the account, which have a minimum investment of $3,000. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.